In this video, we'll show you how to plan a drone flight, capture the right photos, and build a 3D model, all within Drone Path Planner. We start by checking out the site in Google Street View. This gives us a good sense of the surroundings before we fly, what obstacles might be nearby, and how to best approach the flight. Next, we open Drone Path Planner, create a new project, and pick our location on the map. We set up 2 grid flights that together form a double grid. Flying the area from 2 directions means we capture the site from more angles, which makes a big difference when building a 3D model. We also add a lower altitude pass around the site. This gets us closer, more detailed shots of the walls and sides, detail that really improves the final model. On each flight, we assign a POI at the center of the site, so the camera stays locked onto the target throughout. Better coverage, better model. The grid flights run at 27 meters altitude and 4 meters per second. The low pass runs at 5 meters and 2.5 meters per second, slow enough to capture sharp detail up close. RC controllers with a built-in screen, for example DJI RC, DJI RC2, have limited hardware capability. When loading a flight plan with a large number of waypoints, the controller may fail to execute it. The hardware simply cannot process it. Sometimes it helps to take off first and only then start the flight plan. For best reliability, we recommend purchasing a controller that supports connecting a separate iOS or Android device. Modern smartphones and tablets handle large flight plans significantly more reliably than controllers with built-in screens. Flight plans with too many waypoints, like over 400, cause additional problems even with controllers that support separate devices. After a battery swap, you need to manually scroll to the waypoint where you want to continue. And with a very large flight plan, scrolling may not work at all. The drone may also simply stop at the beginning of the flight plan and refuse to fly. For this reason, flight plans with more than 400 waypoints are not recommended. After the flight, we pull the images onto a computer and upload them to Drone Path Planner. The platform processes everything automatically and generates the 3D model. Once it's ready, we hit Publish 3D to make it available in the viewer. In the 3D viewer, we can zoom in, adjust the model's position and elevation on the map, and use the built-in measurement tool to measure distances and heights directly on the model. From flight planning to 3D model, one workflow, one platform.